The 2025 Sherco 300 SE Racing emerges as a meticulously designed and highly capable enduro machine, positioned within the Sherco lineup as a performance-oriented option that bridges the gap between the standard models and the top-tier factory editions. This motorcycle is crafted for riders who demand a high level of performance and quality components straight from the factory, without necessarily requiring the extreme, competition-focused features found on the limited edition XTR-EM models. At the heart of the Sherco 300 SE Racing 2025 lies a potent 293.2 cubic centimeters two-stroke single-cylinder engine, a power plant renowned for its strong and tractable power delivery that is essential for tackling the varied challenges of enduro riding. This engine features an electronically controlled exhaust valve, SBS Sherco balancing system, which optimizes the power curve across the rev range, providing both the low-end torque needed for technical sections and the mid to top-end punch required for more aggressive riding and faster trails. The chassis of the 300 SE Racing 2025 is a semi-perimeter frame constructed from high-strength chrome molybdenum steel, a design that provides a robust and balanced platform for both agile handling and stability at speed. For the 2025 model year, Sherco has implemented refinements to the chassis, including a slight weight reduction and updates to the steering tube and engine cradle geometry, aimed at improving overall handling and rider comfort. The 2025 Sherco 300 SE Racing distinguishes itself with a carefully selected array of performance-oriented components. The clutch is a smooth and reliable Brembo hydraulic multi-disc system operating in an oil bath, offering consistent and precise actuation. A handlebar is an ergonomic OXIA oversized unit, providing strength and a comfortable riding position, complemented by a Niken bar pad. In terms of technology, the 300 SE Racing 2025 features a DCCDI ignition system with digital advance, ensuring reliable and consistent engine performance. LED lighting is incorporated for the headlight and taillight, providing enhanced visibility on the trails. The instrumentation is a compact and functional digital display providing essential information to the rider. The 2025 Sherco 300 SE Racing occupies a sweet spot in the enduro market, offering a high level of performance and quality components at a more accessible price point compared to the factory editions.